On July 10, the new Mercedes-Benz GLE SUV was officially launched. The new car offers a choice of 6 models, including a plug-in hybrid, the mild hybrid model with the 48V mild hybrid system of the ISG structure is sold in the price range of 699,800 to 889,800 yuan. The new Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 will be replaced by a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with model number 254,920. Currently, the vehicle has passed National 6B certification and meets current local license requirements in terms of emissions. The all-new GLE is equipped with geometric multi-beam LED headlights featuring a new daytime running light design. With 4 short strips of light surrounding the headlight module, the overall view becomes extremely sharp and of course also highlights the differences between the old and new models. Another obvious change to the front of the car is the new design of the China Open, which uses a new Night Galaxy air intake grille that transforms from the original starry dots into numerous 3-pointed stars. At the same time, the chrome-plated trim in the middle of the grille was also changed from solid to hollow, introducing a new visual effect. The contours of the front bumper and lower air intake basically keep the existing design, but more decorative panels have been added inside to create aerodynamic kits like a sporty spoiler. On the side of the new car, there are not many changes. The general outline still retains the familiar current design, and the GLE's iconic C-pillar and D-window still live. It is worth noting that the newly added dynamic star emblem welcome light illuminates the floor when the door is opened, providing an exclusive experience by itself. The length, width and height of the next-generation GLE SUV are 4,927/2,018/1,797 mm respectively, and the wheelbase is as long as 2,995 mm. Like the front of the car, the rear part has been adjusted to the shape of the taillights, and the biggest change in the rear of the car is concentrated in the light group. While the outlines and shapes of the taillights of the two cars have not changed at first glance, the layout of the interior light sets has been simplified. The taillights of the GLE have changed from the original irregular double rings to 2 horizontal straight lines of different thicknesses. The thickness is not as extravagant as the updated GLC, and the visual effect is more concise and generous. While there is not much change in the interior overall, some adjustments have been made to the details. For example, the metal plate behind the dual screen has been replaced with a metal material that can improve the texture. It is a pity that the steering wheel of the new domestic GLE is not the same as that of the overseas version, and the 3-spoke steering wheel of the latest generation is not visible. In addition, in terms of the vehicle system, the new car is equipped with the 2nd-generation MBUX car entertainment system. Although the dual screen still retains the 12.3-inch configuration, the system has been upgraded to the latest version, equipped with China's special equipment. QQ Music, Tencent Video and other built-in apps are available. At the same time, AutoNavi's customized navigation is deeply integrated with car and machine. Of course, the newly added wireless CarPlay function also reserves the right to choose for users who are accustomed to using mobile phones. Inspired by the 5 elements, the smooth and refreshing function enables one-click adjustment of 5 modes and comfortable functions such as ambient lighting and air conditioning system, exclusive to China. Additionally, after minor revision, the GLE is also equipped with an OTA remote upgrade function. In terms of smart driving, the new car is equipped as standard with an enhanced version of the driving assistance package. The focus of the new makeup is power. Except for the plug-in hybrid models, all other models are equipped with an upgraded 48V mild hybrid system. Connected directly from the engine in series to the engine, the ISG provides a faster acceleration response, which compensates for turbo lag and smoothness of power output during urban commuting, and also provides an additional 20 horsepower. The GLE 354 Matic model will be equipped with the M254 2.0T 4-cylinder engine with a maximum output power of 190 kilowatts and a peak torque of 400 Nm, while the GLE 454 Matic model will be equipped with a 48V system. The M256 uses a 2.5T inline 6-cylinder engine. The engine can produce a maximum power of 270 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 500 Nm. In addition to power, the GLE 400E Matic model is equipped with a set of 31.2 kWh lithium batteries, so it can travel 100 km on electric power.